Hi students, in the previous video we have learned about mean. The three methods we have learned: direct method, deviation method, step deviation or assumed mean. That is called three methods, three formulas. Now we are mean means average. Also I told you that is sum of the observations by number of observations. Now here today I am going to teach you median. Median of ungrouped data. Mean, median are the measures of central tendency. Now mean completed, coming to median. Median definition is first thing after arranging the given data. I told you data means observations in an ascending or descending order of magnitude, either ascending or descending, small to big, big to small numbers, are increasing or decreasing. These are all same meaning. After arranging in order, the value of the middlemost observation is called the median of the data. I will give you an example. If I ask you which is the middle finger among all these fingers, means immediately you will tell, you will show my which finger is tallest. So this is not median answer. We have to arrange in according to the sizes, either increasing size or decreasing size. After arranging, then we have to say which is the middlemost value. First thing you have to keep in mind, ascending or descending order. Always we will do ascending, small to big. You will practice one. Afterwards, the middlemost observation or middlemost value we call as observations. The previous class also I told you about. Then that is the median of the data. This is the definition of median. Now everybody understood, I think. First thing, arranging order. Second thing, middlemost value. That is the mean. That is the answer of the median. Now method for finding median of ungrouped data. Arrange the given data in an increasing or decreasing order of magnitude. Let the total number of observations be n. We think as n. If suppose 10 observations are there, n will be 10. This is n, we represent with n. N is, here two formulas are there. First one is when n is odd. Second one is when n is even. When n is odd, the median formula is the value of n plus 1 by 2 earth observation. Suppose odd numbers, we know 7 plus 1 by 2, 8 by 2, 4. Fourth observation. Are you able to follow? Next, coming to even numbers. Median is equal to half of n by 2 earth observation plus n by 2 plus 1. N by 2 plus 1. This is n plus 1 by 2. See the difference. There is a lot of difference between that one and this one. Observation. After finding the observation, suppose n is 10. 10 by 2 means fifth observation and 5 plus 1 means 6th. Fifth observation, sixth observation we have to add. Again we have to do by 2. That will be the answer of this median when n is even. This is n is odd. This is the whole introduction of the coming next topic. Median of ungrouped data. Are you able to follow? Median means middlemost value. First thing, arranging in order. Afterwards, these two formulas. Learn by heart. Then you will be getting this chapter easily. Exercise 16b now. The first problem. Find the median of, in that first bit I am doing 15, 6, 16, 8, 22, 21, 9, 18, 25. They have given observations. Solution given. What they have given? Observations 15, 6, 16, 8, 22, 21, 9, 18, 25. First thing what we have to do? We have to arrange the given observations in ascending order. So which is the smallest number here? 8. Next followed by 9. 8, 9. Before that 6 is there. 6, 8, 9. Next. In coming to next. 15, 16. Next. 15, 16, 18. Come to 20. 21, 22, 25. How to check whether all observations are came or not? Count these first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 came. 9 observations they gave. Here also whether 9 came or not, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3, 3, 3. Now are in ascending order. Write that word. Are in ascending order. Because we arrange it now. Sometimes they may give in ascending order. Always never they give. We have to check. This is given problem. This is the first step. If anyone anything offers to eat, we wash hands first. We have to sanitize our hands. In the same manner here we have to arrange in order first. As it is we won't do. Now here n is equal to 9. 9 is which number? Even number or odd number? Odd number. N is odd. Formula depends upon this either even or odd. So now median they told to find. Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 earth observation. Now what is n here? 9. 9 plus 1 by 2 earth observation. 9 plus 1 how much? 10. 10 by 2. 10 by 2 earth observation. Two goes in 10 5 times. So fifth observation. What? Fifth observation. Sir, from which side we have to count, sir? From first or from last? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the answer. Therefore, median is equal to 16. Fifth observation is not answer. We have to come to the problem. Fifth observation. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth observation. Sir, I count from back side, sir. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From any side. So, therefore, median is equal to 16. Same first problem. Find the median of, in that second bit we are doing now. 10, 75, 3, 15, 9, 47, 12, 48, 4, 81, 17, 27. They have given observations. They told to find median. So, solution given. What is given? 10, 75, 3, 15, 9, 47, 12, 48, 4, 81, 17 and 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 observations they have given. First we have to see first step what? Whether they are in order or not. Ascending order. Which is the smallest? 3. 3, next one is 4, 3, 4, 9, single digits. 1, 2, 3, single digits. Next come to 10, 11 is not there, 12, 12, 13, 14, 14 is not there, 15, 15, 16, 17 is there, 17, 18 or there, 19, 20. Come to 20s. 20s only 1, 27 is there. 27, Next come to 30s. 30s are not there. Come to 40s. 47 and 48. 47 and 48. After 50s. 50s are not there. 60s are not there. 75. 81. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here we got 12 and here also we should get 12. Now we are arranging, so we have to write are in ascending order. Compulsory you have to mention this word. Are in ascending order. Now here n we got as 12. 12 means what? Even. Now the formula for median. Median is equal to half of n by 2 earth value, earth observation plus n by 2 plus 1 earth observation. Seem to be formula big but nothing, very simple only, very simple. Now 1 by 2, n is 12. 12 by 2 earth observation. Writing only more but easy than odd number. Plus 12 by 2 plus 1 earth observation. Able to follow? In easy to find also. 2 goes in 12 6 times. Here also 2 goes in 12 6 times. Are you able to follow? Now that is equal to half of 6th observation plus 6 plus 1 7th observation. Writing only more, I am telling again and again, but easy. In mind only you can do. 12 you got, 12 by 2 means 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th and 7th. These are the two. Here itself in mentally we can do 12 by 2, 6th. 12 plus, 6 plus 1, 7th. 6th and 7th. So, half of 15 plus 17. That is equal to half into add. 32 will come. 2 goes in 32 16 times. So that is equal to 16. Therefore, median is equal to 16. This is the way. You have to add, again you have to divide by 2. I will count from back, sir. From last means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6th and 7th. 6th and 7th observations. If you count from beginning or from ending or first or last, whatever may be, answer will be same. Third problem. The heights in centimeters given of 9 girls are 144.2, 148.5, 152.1, 143.7, 145, 149.6, 150, 146.5, 147.3. Find the median height. They are asking to find the median height. Don't be afraid by seeing decimals. Decimals will not do anything. What is given? Solution given 144.2, 148.5, 152.1, 143.7, 145, 149.6, 150, 146.5, 147.3. This is the problem given. These are the heights of 9 girls. Are they in order? It is not in order. We have to write in order. Ascending order. From small to big. Now, which one is small? 144 is there, 48, 43, 45, 47. So, 43. 143.7, comma, next 44, 144.2, comma, next 145, 145, comma, next 146.5, comma, 147.3, comma, 148.5, comma, 148 of 149, 149.6, comma, 150, comma, 152.1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to check like this. Are in ascending order. Compulsory. Are in ascending order. You have to mention this one compulsory. After arranging only we can do this problem. N is equal to 9. 9 means what? Odd. Odd number. When n is odd, the median formula changes. Even one formula, odd one formula. Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 earth observation. 9 plus 1 by 2 earth observation. 9 plus 1 how much? 10. 10 by 2 earth observation. Observation. 2 goes in 10 5 times. So, fifth observation. That is equal to fifth observation. What is the fifth observation count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, I will come from last, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, median height. They told to find median height only now. Therefore, the median height is equal to 147.3. It is in centimeters. So, they gave in centimeters. So, that is the median height of 9 girls is 147.3 centimeters. This is the way of doing this median problems. Now, fifth problem. The weights in kg of 8 children are 13.4, 10.6, 12.7, 17.2, 14.3, 15, 16.5, 9.8. They have given 8 children. Solution given. What they have given? 13.4, 10.6, 12.7, 17.2, 14.3, 15, 16.5, 9.8. Look, observe whether the observations are in ascending order or not. First thing you have to do in median. Again I am repeating and telling you. First step, it is not at all in order. We have to keep in order. Here the least is 9.8. 9 after should come 10. 10.6. 10 after 11 should come. 11 is not there. 12 is there. 12.7. 12 after 13. Here 13 is there. 13.4. 13.4 after 14. 14.3. 14 after 15. 15 comma 16. 16.5 comma. Next 17.2. How many girls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Checking, cross checking whether we wrote all observations or not. Are in ascending order. Don't forget this word. This is the second one. Writing in words. Are in ascending order. Now, n is equal to 8. Which number it is? Even number. When it is even, the median formula changes. Half of n by 2 earth observation plus n by 2 plus 1 earth observation. I told you, seem to be very lengthy this formula, but very simple. With eyes also we can do, just with by seeing. Half of 8 by 2 earth observation plus, write clearly, then you'll understand more clearly, plus 8 by 2 plus 1 earth observation. So 2 goes in 8 4 times. Here also 2 goes in 8 4 times. Fourth observation plus 4 plus 1. Fifth observation. So half of fourth observation plus fifth observation. Fifth observation. What are these two observations? We have to check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth and fifth. 1, 2, 3. Fourth and fifth. From any side. From big first to last or last to first. Because order is same. 1 by 2 of 13.4 plus 14.3. Are you able to follow? 13.4 plus 14.3. That is equal to half of into add 7 point, here point on the point. 3 plus 4 is again 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 27.7. 2 table. Cancel. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. Here 1 remaining. Decimal is there. 2 eights are 16. Again 1 remaining. So 0. 2 fives are 10. So that is equal to 13.85. How much you got? 13.85. Therefore, median, they told to find median weight. They told to find median weight. Therefore, median weight is equal to 13.85 kgs. What they told to find? Median weight. Before median height. Now median weight. This is the way of solving. Seventh problem. Calculate the median of the following frequency distribution. Now the problem is given in horizontal direction. We have to write in vertical direction. Solution given. While writing itself, you see whether it is in order or not. Variety, this is frequency. This variety should be in order. Are you able to follow? It is not in order. Always it won't be in order. Sometimes it may be in order. Next, frequency. So be careful while doing this ungrouped data of the following frequency distribution. This is frequency distribution. 3, 6, 10, 12, 7, 15. Not in order, it is in disorder. 3 we have to write first. 6 comes next. 6 after. Next comes 7. 7 after. Next increasing number is 10. 10 after. 12. 12 after. 15. 15. For 3, frequency is 3 only. This is very important. For 6, 4 is the frequency. For 7, 13. See the table properly. For 10, 2 is the frequency. For 12, 8 is the frequency. And for 15, 10 is the frequency. Are you able to follow? Don't write as you like. Here you are writing first arrange in order. To that order, see the frequency, related frequency. Very, very, very important. The third column we call as cumulative frequency. Frequency is different. Cumulative frequency is different. What is the difference between frequency and cumulative frequency means? Very simple. Just adding the frequencies and writing one by one. Now here the first frequency is 3 as it is. 3 plus 4 how much? 7. 7 plus 13 how much? 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. This is the way of doing. 40. Are you able to follow? So when we add here, we will get n as 40. 40. 40 means what? Even number. So we know when n we got as 40. N is equal to 40. That is even. Formula for even median. Half of, you write completely. N by 2 earth observation plus 1 by 2 n by 2 plus 1 earth observation. N means how much? Half of 40 by 2 earth observation plus 40 by 2 plus 1 earth observation. Write completely. 2 goes in 40 20 times. Here also 2 goes 20. So half of 20 earth observation plus 21st observation. Write clearly, not like me. That is equal to half of. Come and check here. 20 is in which variety? 7. So 20 lies in 7. Write that 7. 7 plus, again 21 will be where? From 21 and 22 variety will be 10 here. So 10. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 17. 2 goes 8.5. Therefore, median is equal to 8.5. This is the way of doing. You have to check in cumulative frequency. You have to check 20th observation is clearly in variety 7 and 21st lies here. In which variety means 10 variety. You have to add and you have to divide by 2. So in 17 half is 8.5. Therefore, median is equal to 8.5. Ninth problem. Find the median for the following data. Here also same variety and frequency they have given. We have to check whether it is in order or not. After checking only, you have to draw the table once again. It is given in horizontal direction. You are going to draw in a vertical direction. So, solution given. Variety. First column is variety. Next one is frequency. Frequency. Now, they have given variety. Which is the least? You have to see. 16. 16 after 18. 18. 18 after 20. 20. After 20, 23. 23 after 25. 25 after 26. 26 after 28. 28 after 30. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to count like cross checking. For 16, what is the frequency? 9. For 18, 8. For 20, 13. For 23, 4. For 25, 4. For 26, 6. For 28, 11. For 30, 5. So, here they have given frequency. Are you able to follow? You have to check those frequencies. You have to be careful. Next, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. How to find cumulative frequency? I told you just now. Just adding the frequencies one after another. That is called cumulative frequency. So be careful in adding cumulative frequencies. Carefully add. That's all. Now, first one as it is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 13 is 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. 34 plus 4 is 38. 38 plus 6 is 44. 44 plus 11 is 55. 55 plus 5 is 60. 60. So n is equal to 60. Which number? Even number. Even means what you know. Now you are going to find median when you are finding median when n is even. So median is equal to half of n by 2 Earth observation plus 1/2 plus 1 Earth observation. Now that is equal to half of 60/2 Earth observation plus 60/2 plus 1 Earth observation. Now 2 goes in 60 how many times? 30 times. 2 goes 30 times. Here also 2 goes 30 times. So half of 30 Earth observation plus 30 plus 1 31 Earth observation. So see the table now. Where is 30 observation? 30 observation, which variety means 20. So 20 plus and 31 lies here. From 31, 32, 33, 34 varieties will be here. So how many are there means 23. Add. That is equal to, we want 31. 31 lies in this cumulative frequency. Now half of 43. Half into 43. 2 goes. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 1 remaining. 0. 2 5s 10. So 21.5. Therefore, median is equal to how much? Median is equal to 21.5. That is the answer.